Where did you?
Why XRP is a smart long-term investment. XRP has been one of the most talked about coins in the crypto world. Apart from Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and possibly Tron, TRX, XRP news has been receiving the most attention. This goes for various media outlets, as well as for potential investors. Now, it is true that Ripple has had its fair share of troubles and challenges, some of them going as far as to become federal lawsuits against its parent company. However, the most of Ripple-related questions are concerns about whether this coin is a good investment or not. People wish to know if the coin is trustworthy and if it has a future. Well, we believe that it is. In fact, we think that XRP is an excellent investment, and in this text, we will provide some of the reasons why this might be the case. XRP on its way to adoption. Ripple is one of the most well-accepted cryptocurrencies around. The platform has spent the last year and a half securing numerous partners that were drawn to it by the strength of its protocol. Additionally, Ripple can also brag with its high scalability, low costs, and very fast transaction speeds. Numerous banks and financial institutions around the world have taken into adopting its technology, and some reports claim that Ripple's products can save up to 70% of the transaction costs. Apart from that, it is also known that Ripple is capable of making cross-border transactions in a matter of minutes, or maybe even seconds, while the old systems often took hours, if not days. While Ripple's price is currently relatively low, its value is bound to go up as its adoption increases, and its other products become massively accepted as well. Ripple's use cases are expanding while Ripple products are passing all kinds of tests, and are doing pretty well at the moment. Chances are that its use cases will expand even further. One of its initiatives, called XSpring, might be the key to this growth. The team has been seeking more and more entrepreneurs in the recent months and providing them with funding. All of this is done in order to reach the limits of the coin's true potential. Ripple's potential actually has a chance of being literally limitless. The coin might reach numerous industries, like media, gaming, real estate, trade, identity, micropayments, virtual goods, and more. If it achieves even half of what it is expected to reach, this will still mean a serious boom for the coin. Will Ripple's price grow? Truth be told, Ripple's price has been very disappointing, especially recently. The coin lost over 90% of its all-time high, all thanks to this year's bear market. According to CoinMarketCap, its current price is only $0.336124. However, its advanced technology and ever-expanding use cases are almost a guarantee that this won't always be the case. At the moment, the market is not really favorable, and almost all cryptos are suffering from it. However, this will not always be true, and as soon as the situation changes, Ripple's price will change as well. The important thing to understand about XRP is that investing in it means investing in the future. It is a long-term thing, and the results will not be seen immediately. This is something that a lot of investors do not understand, and when they experience losses, they choose to sue Ripple for fraud, instead of educating themselves on the coin and how the market works. While Ripple is currently not at its best, it is also holding up pretty good, considering the situation and all it had to endure. And, with its all-time high being $3.86, it is definitely possible for the coin to not only reach those heights again but to grow even further up. Ripple's XRP and Ether dropped double digits in massive cryptocurrency sell-off. Bitcoin is struggling, but cryptocurrencies known as altcoins were faring much worse on Tuesday. XRP and Ethereum both dropped by more than 12%, and the entire cryptocurrency market lost $19 billion in 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The crypto market seems to have hit panic mode, says Matthew Newton, analyst at global investment platform eToro. Bitcoin has had a tough week, but it was other, lesser-known cryptocurrencies leading the selling spree Tuesday. Ether, which is the second-largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, was the biggest loser among the top 5 by market capitalization and fell more than 12%, according to data from industry site CoinMarketCap.com. Ether is down 65% this year and was trading near $260 Tuesday after starting the year above $760. The crypto market seems to have hit panic mode, with prices falling significantly across the board, said Matthew Newton, analyst at global investment platform eToro. As we can see in the case of Ether, investors seem to be increasing liquidations of their ICO holdings, with significant drops in price and increased volumes. XRP, the world's third-largest digital currency, dropped by 10% to about 26 cents. The digital currency is one of the biggest laggards this year, dropping roughly 90% after starting the year above $2.30, according to historical data from CoinMarketCap.com. The entire market value of cryptocurrencies has tumbled 69% this year, and in the past 24 hours fell by $19 billion, according to the CoinMarketCap.com data. Bitcoin still makes up more than half of the cryptocurrency market, and has also struggled to recover to anywhere near its high near $20,000 in December. Prices have fallen more than 56% this year to about $6,000 Tuesday. Jody Pasquale, CEO of cryptocurrency fund of hedge funds BitBull Capital, said retail investors in general may be losing their risk appetite. When the market is down, the larger players in crypto have thinner pockets for alternative coins, Pasquale said. The market is still majority retail investors who sell on lows. Pasquale predicted that Bitcoin will fall below $5,000 before staging a recovery in the fourth quarter. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies had rallied last month after news of institutional interest from asset management giant BlackRock, as well as a collaboration between New York Stock Exchange owner Intercontinental Exchange, Starbucks and Microsoft on a digital asset platform. Investors were also hopeful that the first-ever cryptocurrency ETF would be approved in August, which helped boost Bitcoin above $8,000. But the SEC announced last week that it would postpone that decision. A second attempt by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, founders of crypto exchange Gemini, to list their ETF was rejected by the SEC in July. Ripple owns about 60% of XRP on the market, and is officially the name of a San Francisco-based company developing a network for faster global financial payments. XRP is the name of the digital token that financial institutions on the network can use to transact quickly. Ether was first launched as a fundraising effort to develop the blockchain platform Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain is being used to build applications on blockchain, the technology first used and made famous by Bitcoin. Ether prices got a boost in June after a key Securities and Exchange Commission official made it clear that in the eyes of the agency, it's not a security. The U.S. agency has not specifically commented on the status of other cryptocurrencies, yet top executives at Ripple maintain that XRP is absolutely not a security. Ripple is the next big thing, don't get fooled by the current XRP price. There is no doubt that Ripple's XRP is a unique cryptocurrency that is taking the shape of a protocol more than that of typical virtual currencies. XRP is the default token for Ripple. Thanks to its unique nature in comparison to some of the other virtual currencies, Ripple, XRP has succeeded in generating a lot of attention and interest from traders as well as investors. In current time, hardly a day passes by without some information or news about Ripple, XRP, and as a member of the fast-growing virtual currency universe, Ripple continues to enjoy remarkable growth and fortunes. The 5-year-old business venture, which is led by Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's chief executive officer, is on the upward trend with its virtual currency, XRP, rubbing shoulders with the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is this time we remember Ripple's audacity last year when it compared itself to revolutionary companies such as Uber and Airbnb, companies that have managed to transform their respective markets. Why should one invest in Ripple, XRP? Ripple, XRP, provides a service as one of its main strengths. Ripple, XRP provides to the market a smooth experience when transferring funds globally using the power of its blockchain technology. According to Ripple, this attribute allows financial institutions and banks to process their clients' settlements anywhere globally reliably, instantly, and almost free of charge. Ripple Labs trades its digital token, XRP, through exchanges and institutions. In Q3 of last year alone, Ripple managed to trade over $53 million worth of XRP. Financial institutions and banks require virtual currencies going by the technological advancements being witnessed globally. Banks and financial institutions require vast amounts of liquidity to operate. This is one of the most pressing challenges banks and financial institutions have to face. However, leading figures within the virtual currency market indicate that virtual assets such as XRP can be the perfect solution and tool to deliver and solve the liquidity problem. Crypto enthusiasts are already investing their money with the hope that banks will adopt a lot of Ripple, XRP in the future to become their reserve currency. Ripple, XRP, is unique in comparison to Bitcoin. For instance, Ripple, XRP, is not generated and does not depend on miners or mining. The mother company already generated roughly more than 99 billion virtual tokens. Almost 55 billion of this number will be dispersed to users. Potential investors will have who wish to invest in Ripple, XRP are required to have a digital wallet, the same way as other virtual coins such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ripple, XRP, is gaining traction. Ripple, XRP appears to be adopted and accepted by many financial players and exchanges around the globe. As of my last count, 60 exchanges have listed the digital coin on their platforms, paving the way for the cryptocurrency to be adopted by financial institutions. Such companies include the likes of MoneyGram and other major financial players. It is profitable, for people with lots of patience. In recent months, it is true Ripple suffered negative price volatility, but it is in such situations that investors and traders can make money. Also, going by the number of companies that have adopted the token, it is just a matter of time when Ripple, XRP, goes the moon. To be honest, it is hard to tell when, but as things stand, it sooner or later will. Patience is the key.